request you tip me, like a lot. Shield something cool, and then you gotta like engage with me. Or so like if you don't, I understand a lot of people maybe don't have. But a request of you then is that you engage with me. So you chat with me more than one occasion. So you follow me and you check out when I'm going live and you come in and when I see your name pop up multiple times, I'm like, yeah, okay, I'll follow him now. But if you can't, I can't everybody. So the rules on my fault. What's going on? My video is not letting me start. Okay. My Alexa is just doing her own thing. Let's play. Power off, yes. Restart. Don't think so quite well. I'm not hustling really. My skills are a lot outside. I like to talk a lot and I like to dance.